What's some beautiful people?
Hey, hey.
Yes, Rasta. It's Alan Boy Africa and
Maria.
yeah, man.
It's Island Boy. Give thanks for your loving. You are the realest girl. Even without money, you're enjoying my world.
My bad. I had to go and stir the soup that I'm cooking. So for all my Latino people, I'm actually making a sopa de puchero. That's how we call it. It's soup. It's cow shin soup that we make, and it's absolutely beautiful. And Babe's going to be the first to try it as well. It's got carrots, potatoes, shin of the cow. So we call that osabuco. Not shin of the cow, osabuco. That's how we call it. But I don't even know what you call it here. I didn't even get the name of it at the packet. I just picked it up and just put it back in. Just put it in the trolley. But anyways, so I'm making a sopa de puchero for all those that know what that is. And for all those that don't, it is a soup. Anyways, okay, next fruit we're gonna try is this pear. Now, Jamaicans call avocados pears.
Yeah.
We call avocados avocados. And this is what we call pear. Now, pear is a fruit. It's a beautiful fruit, but you've got to eat it when it's ripe. And I'm hoping I've chose the right one today. So this has got this is more like an apple.
Mm-hmm.
It's got like a hard thing in the middle, a little bit of a hard like seed in the middle. Ooh, bombo clap. I didn't say that. Cross that out. Cross that out, I should say.
Alright, so
The pear, guys.
This is pear. Oh, we call pear in Jamaica. So it's a bit.
This is a fruit pear. This is the pear. Might not be as ripe as what I thought it would, but what do you think, babe? I think we chose the wrong one.
Ah, okay, I see. There's a bit of taste like a watermelon.
What?
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
a watermelon.
Yeah, it does. And what else? It's kind of sweet.
It is sweet.
Yeah, I love it. It's juicy. It almost tastes like even American apple. Not sweet as an American apple, but yeah, similar texture and thing.
What's an American apple?
It just comes from America. Yeah, so in Jamaica, once we see an apple from overseas, we just say American apple. You understand? So yeah.
And the next fruit we have is a green apple. Now he's tried red apple.
Yeah.
He's probably tried pink lady apples. I don't know exactly where it was, but we have tried a fair few different apples. We've tried a red apple and a lady pink apple or something like that.
Yeah.
So now he's gonna try the green apple. And I like these apples. I cook with these.
Cook with these.
Yeah, I make a chicken, from what I was told from my father, it's a French dish. We cook this, we put apple with chicken and sweet potato and a really nice hearty dish for winter. It's a more winter dish, but it's apparently a French thing, and so we use this, yeah.
Okay.
But it's quite nice, so you can try it. For all my French people.
You know the vibes. Imagine when I touch down in Australia, I'm gonna be trying all these
Different fruits. Oh yeah, your fridge will be ready, stacked for you with heaps of fruits.
Yeah. If you're inviting me to your home, believe me, I have to have lots of fruits and snacks. I'm about that life.
This is the green apple. Green apple, guys. I think they call these Granny Smith apples, correct me? But yes, they're Granny Smith. My mum also makes a salad with this as well. I don't know exactly where the salad comes from, but
this one is a bit
different.
This one is a bit sour. So, do they get sweeter than this?
Yeah, they do. Yes, they can. Yeah.
Well, my preference would be the red one then, because the red one, they are sweet straight up. So yeah.
But would you eat them now?
Yeah, I love it. Like,
You love it.
yeah, I love the sourness.
And then he's got grapes, which he's tried before.
Yeah, I've tried it. Yeah.
And my favorite, mangoes.
Yeah, sweetie mango.
These
we call them in Jamaica.
are the bomb. Guys, mangoes here are just completely out of the Richter scale. I've never tried a mango that has been so damn delicious and sweet. It even makes my mouth water talking about it. The bomb. All mangoes here in Jamaica are the best. And pineapples. I think I've said this thousands of times, but anyways, I'll keep saying it because it sounds good.
Yeah, so pretty much that sums it up. I've had mangoes before, unless they want to try one and show you guys. Eat it.
I've already. Oh, okay. I'll try it. I mean, I've eaten them, but this is the way Jamaicans peel their mangoes. Well,
dig into it. Get messy with it. I understand.
You ready, guys? Here you go.
Yeah.
I know it looks very different doing it on camera. Well, not really. You just look maybe silly doing it, but this is how they peel their mangoes.
Get your hands messy.
You gotta get really messy with it.
Yeah.
All right, and there you have it, guys. Mango ready for disaster.
Yeah.
Yeah. These mangoes are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I cannot stress it enough, baby. You've got the best mangoes. All right, guys. Up with it all.
Get into it.
Oh, I was going to get into it. Okay, here we go.
Good old sweetie mango. Sweet like sugar.
I'm going to give the rest to Babe because I'm about to dish up the soup and he would just eat because he loves to eat. That is another thing that we forgot to say. Who eats the most? He does. He loves food.
Yeah, man. So what do we eat, you know?
He loves fruit, food. He loves everything. Yeah.
Yeah. Make sure your house is full of food when you invite me. Yeah, man. Yeah, so basically that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy watching. You know the vibes. Silent Boy Africa. And
Babe, you've got a booger.
no.
Yeah, you do.
No.
You got a booger. Do you want me to take it out? Babe, you got a booger. He's got a booger, guys.
No, sir.
He's got a booger.
I don't got no booger. No, sir.
Yeah, you do. Have a look. Go have a look in the mirror.
I don't need to look. I don't see nothing.
Anyways, thanks guys for watching our channel.
Yeah.
And actually, I want to rephrase that. Thanks guys for watching Babe's channel.
Well, it's both our channel. Even if it's as my name, it's both our channel. You understand? So
don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video, and all the other videos.
Yeah.
And yeah, Babe's
Do it,
enjoying
do it.
that mango.
let's go now.
All right, bless.
Crazy.
Oh, crazy, crazy,
Yeah, man.
crazy.
Rasta Boy Society. Oh yeah, East Island. Yeah, been watching you for a very, very long time. My eyes on you. Hey, alright then, my girl. crush turned my love. My love became my all, my everything. My crush turned my love. My love became my all, my everything. Yeah. I'm so in love. You make me fall in love. Yeah. From the first time I see you, I know me want be the man. Alright then, I'm so in love. You make me fall in love. Yeah. You leave a smile for me face. Where can't erase.